Welcome to my channel. TIMEMORE C5 ESP Pro is an updated model in the Chestnut C line, created for those who appreciate controlled grinding and consistent coffee flavor. Thanks to its precise grind settings, this coffee grinder is ideal for espresso as well as other brewing methods: Turkish coffee pot, mocha pot, Aeropress, filter coffee. Grind consistency. Uniform particle size minimizes overly fine or coarse grinding, improving extraction and taste. Durable metal body, a combination of aluminum and stainless steel, makes the coffee grinder reliable and durable. Key advantages of the TIMEMORE C5 ESP Pro Premium burrs: 42 mm diameter. Conical steel burrs ensure consistent grinding and a clean, balanced coffee flavor. Precise grind adjustment for espresso. Step-by-step adjustment with a small step, 50 clicks, allows you to finely adjust the grind for espresso and other brewing methods. Compact. Size. Convenient for everyday use at home and light enough to take with you when traveling. Ergonomic folding handle. Easily removable and foldable for easy storage and transport. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.